Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the negation in German. And there are a lot of examples of this in my course. If you want to see my whole course for beginners, just click on the first link in the description. So let's get started. There are three main possibilities for negation. Nein, kein and nicht. Nein is the negative answer to a question. And nein is used exclusively to answer questions. For example, hast du ein Auto? Nein. Do you have a car? No. Kein negates nouns exclusively and is used for nouns with an indefinite article and for nouns without any article. For example, with an indefinite article. Ich habe ein Auto. Ich habe kein Auto. I have a car. I have no car. Or without any article. Ich habe Hunger. Ich habe keinen Hunger. I have hunger, literally. And I have no hunger. Okay, the meaning is I'm not hungry. Interestingly, kein must be declined. And it is declined like the indefinite article. For more on declension and cases, see my video on the German cases. Here it is accusative and therefore blue. And because Hunger is masculine, the declension is keinen, so with an en in the ending. In contrast to car, which is neuter, but it can also be nominative or dative. So please be careful. With nicht everything is negated that is not negated with nein or kein. Okay, logical. This means that verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, preposition, proper nouns, nouns with definite articles and possessive articles, and parts of sentences and whole sentences are negated with nicht. Okay, for example, ich komme nicht aus Berlin. Literally, I come not from Berlin. Nicht always precedes what is to be negated. Here another example. Ich bin nicht klein. I am not small. The position of not changes when verbs are negated, and it usually comes right after the verb in the main sentence. In the next video you will learn more about the structure of main sentences. So get ready. And our example here is Ich arbeite nicht. Literally, I work not. Yeah, and that's all on the topic of the German negation. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.